Hello, my name is Adam. We are from Kenya. The patient we brought is my mother, Hawa Abdullah. My mother, she involved in an accident 2013.
The patient we are talking about is Mrs. Hawa Abdullah. She was from Kenya, and she had a history that she'd been operated earlier 5 times on the left knee and the thigh because of a fracture which did not unite and it was infected.
We decided we shared the x-ray and all medical report through track to Dr. Mannu Bhatia. So we came here.
We really appreciated the hospitality, the reception that Max staff gave us. So we came, we have been given a place to sleep, to stay. We relaxed. We met our doctors. We did the introduction, Dr. Mannu Bhatia, Dr. Satya Narain. Very good doctors. They are very polite.
We received the patient had a stiff knee, very osteoporotic. The bones were so brittle that they could simply bend by bending the knee. So it was a big challenge to operate such a patient, doing a knee replacement in a stiff knee with brittle bones. By God's grace, the patient and the attendants were very cooperative. They understood the whole procedure.
She was a case of secondary osteoarthritis with fracture, malunion with implant in situ with severe osteodystrophy. Bone was very, very weak and porotic due to disuse. And clinically and as per patient's complaint, she was unable to walk and she has undergone multiple surgeries at the parent country.
So we did the surgery on her in the month of March, and in that we were successful in doing the surgery. Post surgery, we kept them in Delhi in a rented accommodation because of the corona lockdown. So the physiotherapy and all the care was taken at home, and now down the line the end result is that our patient is able to bend the knee. She is painless and she can walk comfortably with a walker for now, and I'm very hopeful, God willing, in the next 2 to 3 months she would be walking independently without a support.
So we have fear, the phobia, what the surgery will be. But at long last, we thank all the doctors team, Dr. Mannu Bhatia, who is like a family man to us. He's a doctor, very good doctor, including Dr. Satya.
Thank you. God bless Max. God bless Max Management. God bless all the Max doctors who took part in our journey.